Hey all, I wanted to show you our Zapier integration and an example of one that you may want to create. It is a new partnership request comes through, you send a Slack message, and then you send that partner or potential partner that sent you the request an email letting them know you received a request. You'll review it in time, and if you want to send them any other links or information or what to do next, that would be a good email to do that. So I'll just show you what I did here and some kind of tips. If you're new to Zapier, this will be great for you to watch. So when you're creating a Zapier, it'll have you select the trigger first. The trigger is going to be Partnerhub, and then you'll see Partnerhub show up. This beta tag, this is just a formality. It goes away after a certain period of time. They just want to make sure that you're going to stay in the ecosystem. If we do what we are planning to do, which is embed Zapier, they have an awesome kind of an iPaaS embed option. It will take the beta away immediately, and it will just show up under your settings as the full UI with templates. So instead of having to guess what to do or make up your own, we'll have embedded Zapier with templates, so you won't even have to log into Zapier, or at least leave this UI and go to a different page. So the event in this tutorial is new partnership request. Connect your account. You'll need the API key here. It'll be a pop-up modal from Zapier. It'll ask for the API key. Then send channel message in Slack. I recommend you create a channel just for Partnerhub alerts or all of your partner tech alerts. Put them all into one place, and I'll show you how we can structure this. So we give you fields like contact name. So I said Alex Glenn, comma, CEO of Partnerhub, just requested partnership, approve, deny, schedule a call. I pasted the new matches link because that's where your partnership requests are going to come in, so your team can see the request, quickly click the link in Slack, show up here, approve, deny, schedule call, and then I put the contact info in case my team wants to decide who should reply. They can look at LinkedIn and contact. That may be relevant, maybe not. Yes, it's a bot name. You can leave that off, but what I like to do is this link here is actually my company LinkedIn logo. Copy image address here. I use LinkedIn because it doesn't change. It's usually current, up to date, and the page is public, so Zapier can pull in the icon. The other reason to do this, the reason to do the bot icon is if you just leave it as no icon here, just leave that blank, it'll show up as Zapier, and if you have multiple sources going in the same channel, multiple zaps or multiple just alerts in that channel, it's tough to see what's what in the channel. So I always use a bot icon. I pick something that's relevant for that particular bot, and you can see here it is, and you see how this shows up here. This, I leave it as Zapier. You can just leave that so you know, hey guys, that's where that exists. If you need to edit it, go to Zapier. And a nice, easily digestible, everything I need event. Okay, so continue with that, and then what I'd recommend doing is sending that party an email to contact email from your email. From name, I just put Alex Partnerhub. Subject, thank you for your request. You can do a plain text email, or if you're savvy with HTML, you can do a nice structured email with HTML. And you can put whatever you want here. I say, in the meantime, join us in Slack because these are all users of Partnerhub. They just want to connect with us, so I want them in Slack. You can put maybe a link to your partner program landing page so they can review more details that maybe aren't on your Partnerhub profile. Maybe you want to book a call regardless. Put your calendar there, up to you. We do vet everybody in Partnerhub. Nobody just gets into Partnerhub, so we make sure that they have a legitimate company and are not there to sell our users. So yeah, putting your calendar link here I think would be fine. More potential options before this new partnership request. If you like your partners to go to CRM, you can wait till you approve the request, but you can add a CRM event there. Maybe you want them in your CRM when they just request partnership. I don't know. Other triggers, you could add them to a sequence in HubSpot, SendGrid, Customer IO. Maybe you want them in your newsletter. That's a good way to do it. That's just a good example of a Zap that I think most people will need. The other tutorials, Luke did a good one on pushing to CRM, checking for a deal in the CRM before adding it, or checking for a company before adding it, and then creating a deal. That's for a referral. That's going to be a big use case for us as well. Someone asked me about sync with CRM. We are building integrations with HubSpot and Salesforce. That will be primarily used for the connection of the actual form, which creates a deal in Partnerhub and pushes it to Salesforce or HubSpot from a website landing page of choice. That's the main use case. Most PRMs out there honestly aren't syncing the deals, meaning writing their PRM when you update the deal in your Salesforce. They may sync stages, so when you have a lead come through Partnerhub, it goes to CRM at a prospecting or working stage. If you or your salespeople move that to a different stage in your CRM, it writes a stage tag or stage name in your PRM. But other than that, I mean, honestly, most will leave the text fields the same. But we're going to work really closely with a few of you on that integration, and if you have any needs, please let us know. But test out the Zaps. There's a bunch of them. We're going to add more, and please definitely use those and let us know if you have any issues.